Do you want to know how to make a smooth tahini sauce? I'm going to tell you with my secret ingredient that you have in your kitchen. Tahini sauce has just a few basic ingredients. Tahini itself, which is just sesame seeds that have been pureed to a beautiful, smooth paste. See the texture? Mine is nice and smooth. You might find a couple of lumps and you might find that sometimes the oil separates. Just shake your jar and that'll be just fine. I've got a half a cup of tahini in here, and this is the juice of a lemon. And you'll see as I'm adding this, the tahini, and you'll see with the lemon juice, the tahini gets thick and kind of lumpy. And I'm going to show you how to fix it. The secret, ice water, very simple, very effective. Just adding a little bit of ice water here and watch what happens. And that's it, Habibis, a very simple tahini sauce that you're going to use all over the place. Wait and see. Join me in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe so we can continue to cook Lebanese together.